Elettronica Veneta has developed a Multipoint Petrol injection trainer specifically designed for educational needs. This trainer enables an in-depth study of the latest multipoint petrol ignition and injection systems for vehicles complying with anti-pollution standards. Let us now have a look at the main features of the equipment. This is how the workstation looks like. For a better training experience, actual automotive components are used. Okay, let's on the system. First of all, we need to connect the battery and power the circuit. Switch the trainer on and turn on the key to start the dashboard. When powered for the first time, the butterfly valve performs a self-learning procedure. We need to set the air pressure and start the engine. The proper operation of the engine and related circuits are displayed on the dashboard. Firing and injection sequence can be checked visually. The trainer is equipped with a fault insertion unit, and the front panel includes several test points for understanding the operation and issues of each component. The OBD port can be used for a thorough troubleshooting process. Thanks for watching this video. If you need more information or a quotation, please feel free to contact us.